Let's get it going with our trader rundown now. Alan Nuckman of Agora Financial. And it looks like the president might be softening on trade with China. Is that what sparked the rally yesterday, do you think?
Well, we built a nice base for the last couple of weeks, and last week we had a nice bounce in the markets, got some positives that we've been talking about. Let's look at it. The NDX is 10% off its lows in the last couple of weeks, and all three of the major indexes are positive. So I see a lot of optimism now, and let's talk about the VIX.
The VIX falling below 13.
Full decline, a full vol fall from 50. That's a 75% drop. Now
Wow.
we're back to where we were when we traded in that channel for the longest time, between 10 and 13 or so.
Why is the market so relaxed? Or the VIX is telling us no fear here, and there's a lot happening globally.
Well, you look at the earnings. 90% of the earnings have come out for the S&P, and 78% have beat EPS, and 77% have beat on revenue. So it gets back to fundamentals, and that's what drives the market.
What would be a trade here for you?
Silent silver. Silver's going nowhere, so that has my attention. It's the SLV ETF has been trading between 15 and 17 for 1.5 years. We're at 1550 now, so just above the support. I'm looking at a 2020 call.
Ooh, it's going way out.
Plenty of time. The $12 call, we haven't been to $12 since 2009. So the $12 call, which is in the money, is trading for about $500, $450, $500. So you've got plenty of time. You've got 1 year and 8 months. And look for silver to make a move. And if it breaks out of the sideways action, we could see 19 very quickly.
So you want to break out in silver?
A breakout in silver. Now the dollar started to decline, so you might see some action in gold and silver. And like I said, it's been going sideways with a series of lower highs and higher lows. Something's going to happen.
Well, what's moving the silver market? What's behind that?
I think the dollar's part of it right now. The dollar had seen this bounce, and I mentioned it a couple times. I thought it might be a fake out breakout. So let's see. Last week, the dollar made new relative highs, but closed unchanged. So that could be the beginning of the end for this dollar rally.
Thanks so much for coming on the show, Alan.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.